Hey sub family, welcome back to another video, guys. So today we got the Taurus G3C and I will be showing you guys how to install the ADE Advanced Green Dot Sight, and also I will be showing you how to install the DPP Titanium Mount for the G3C. Okay guys, so I'm going to get to the installation of these two items here on the G3C. So let's get to doing that now. I'm going to show you how to take the sight off of the G3C, and this is the original sight right here. Lay your case to the side there, and then what you want to do is go ahead and grab a mallet hammer and a punch like this. You can get this from your local Lowe's or Home Depot or probably even Walmart. Then you want to go ahead and grab a microfiber cloth. Then we got the DPP Titanium Mount here. It's compatible with the Taurus G3C. And then we also got the dot sight as well, and this is by ADE. It's a really good brand, and that's everything you need to do this. What you want to do here is take the clip out. You always want to make sure you do that and lay that to the side, and then you also want to go ahead and check the chamber, make sure there's nothing in there. And then after you do that, you're going to go ahead and take your microfiber cloth, and as you guys can see right here, I kind of punched it out a little bit, so it's kind of hanging off the side right there, which I got it out. So I just wanted to have that as an example for you guys. I have to clean this gun. But what you want to do, you want to take it and wrap it like this. Then you want to feel right there. Line your punch tool up. I'm going to show you guys every step, so you know how to do this. You want to hold the gun, beat it off at the same time. Let's see where it's at so far. See how it's a little bit more off of there, guys? It's coming off little by little. And you guys just want to keep beating it out just like I was showing you, and it should slide straight out of here, and then we can put the DPP Titanium Mount one here, and I'll show you guys how to do that after I finish beating this out the rest of the way. I wanted to show you something real quick. So as you guys can see, this thing is almost off of here, this original scope for the gun here. But you want to take it towards the end of a table and beat it off, because if you have it on the table like this, it's not going to go nowhere. So if you keep it like this and you beat it like that, it's not going to go nowhere. So what you want to do is move it more towards the end, and then hold the gun with your hand like that. And then you're going to put it down like this. I'm just going to show you an example. And then you're going to beat that down just like that. Now me, guys, like I said, I don't really care. The scope part is going to cover this up. So this is what it will look like when it comes off of the gun, the G3C Taurus. As you guys can see, it got messed up a little bit right there, but that's okay. It's not even going to be seen. That's how you get it off, guys. So this is what comes in the DPP Titanium Mount box here, and it comes in a nice little case, guys, as you can see. And that's the actual mount itself, which is really nice, guys. And then it comes with different screws here and stuff like that, and these are labeled right there. And there's some more screws. And there's some more here. And then as you can see, it comes with some Allen keys there, guys. So with the DPP Titanium Mount here, what you want to do, you want to go ahead and place it in there just like that. Push it in there a little bit with your finger, and it's going to look like that. And what you want to do is take your hammer and your punch, and make sure you cover this up with a microfiber cloth on this end, because you don't want to damage this mount piece here. Okay guys, so I recently told you to use this punch to put this DPP Titanium Mount into the gun, but I don't think you should use that. You should try this first. I'm going to try this method first. So you want to just cover it up with the microfiber cloth and just try to beat it in place here, guys, and see if it'll go in that way. And I'm going to try that, and then I'll show you the after results. Okay guys, so this is how it looks so far. We got it in most of the way here, as you guys can see. You want to beat it continuously until it pushes its way through like that. And as you guys can see from before and after, that this is more in, and it should straighten up as you push it in. As you kind of can see here, it's kind of crooked, but as you push this in, it should straighten itself up. So I got the mount on the G3C here, as you guys can see. It looks just like that. Now guys, I will tell you that this will mess your gun up a little bit. As you can see, I did a little number right there. Just make sure you keep this little safety mechanism down here. Instead of having it up like that, keep it down. But it don't bother me at all. I'm gonna get a skin for this anyway and cover this thing up. It's gonna look good after I'm done with it, but that's what it looks like. Show you from the front here, guys. Looks straight to me. Yep. Now we're gonna move on to the green dot here, guys. So we're gonna lay that to the side. I'm gonna show you everything it comes with. Comes with a little Allen wrench key and some screws for the mount. And that's a new battery. And then it comes with the directions here. Now it does say red dot sight, guys, but this is a green dot sight, not a red dot sight. I don't understand why they put that in there, but it pretty much comes with just the simple stuff here, the directions and the user manual, and this is how it will look when you put it on the plate, just like that. And then you also got a little glasses lens cloth here. So that's pretty much everything that comes in the box. I'm gonna get to showing you how to put the sight on the gun. I do want to mention to you that this Allen wrench key here will not work. That came with the sight itself. So I do recommend you to buy the DPP Titanium Mount kit there. And I will have that in the description below. And also, guys, you want to go ahead and just take this cover up off of here like that. It will expose these two screws that have to be unscrewed from the green dot sight itself. So what you want to do is you want to take the Allen wrench key that came with the DPP Titanium kit there and just go ahead and unscrew these. And what this will do, guys, is release the little mechanism at the bottom that will slide on a gun. This is not what I need on here, so I'm not gonna use that. So we're gonna just take that off of here, guys. And then that's how you remove that. And you just want to lay that to the side because we will not be needing that. And you guys can kind of see right here on the mount and the mount that this came off of, the slide on mount, that it looks similar. So this is why you want to get this DPP titanium mount here. And then what you're going to do is you're going to just test fit it and see how it's going to be on there. So that's kind of what you're looking at there, guys. I'm just being easy so it won't fall off. I do want to mention that it does have a battery at the bottom. It comes with another one, which is a good thing. I guess it should, for as much as this thing costs. This thing retails for about $90. So the battery works good in there. I don't have to change that out, but if I ever need to, you're going to have to remove this dot sight to get to the battery and replace the battery. So I do want to tell you that there is a couple of different, screws that go to the green dot sight, but we're not going to use any of these because these are for different firearms. But there was two screws that came in a little bag like this that I'm using that came with the green dot sight. So they seem to fit in there well like that. As you can see, I got one in. I'm going to show you guys how to put the other one in. Then you want to take the smallest Allen wrench key and go ahead and twist that in there like this, guys. It was a pretty easy installation, minus the having to beat this, mounting plate in here. It was kind of hard. As you guys can see, it's kind of a little bit scratched right there, but it's actually not even noticeable. But guys, this looks so nice. I'm going to tell you that right now. Like, wow, look at that. You see that little green dot sight, guys? It's actually hard to see on camera, but you see it, it just passed right there. There's the green dot sight, guys. Nice, guys, look at that. Wow. Just make sure you tighten the screws down really tight. You don't want this sight to pop off of this mount here, guys. So make sure you kind of like snug these screws down onto the mount. And then this is the cover for the green dot sight. And this is how it looks after installation, guys. Look at that. There's more stuff to come. I'm going to show you guys how to do more to the G3C. And then this can apply for other models as well. But that's what it looks like, guys. And I will take this off again to show you. Just like that. Look at that, guys. And I will have all the links in the description below, so you can go ahead and pick you up this stuff here. But that's pretty much the video right there, guys, on how to install that. Okay, guys, so that's the end of the video. I just want to show you what it looks like on person. So this is what it looks like here, guys. I'm going to go ahead and pull it out for you and show you what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and take this cover off and show you what that looks like as well. That's what the ADE looks like there. It's really nice, guys. Really nice. Really, really nice. And then this protects it like this. So when you put it in your holster here, it clicks right in place and it won't mess the optics up there, guys. The optics lens, I should say. Okay, guys, I hope you liked the installation video on the ADE green dot sight and the DPP sight mount. And if you could, I appreciate if you would like, comment, and subscribe. I just want to let you guys know Jesus is King. God bless you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one.